Hello, my name's Jhanae.
And I'm Carlos.
And we are the co-founders of Cleaners Ltd.
Cleaners Ltd is a domestic cleaning service. Our service provides in-depth cleaning solution to student accommodation and to private residential homes in and around London.
Cleaners Ltd came about because we were both students at the time, and we realised that there was a massive problem in shared accommodation with cleanliness amongst students, and we found that there was a gap in the market and that no one was actually servicing students for this problem. We were able to identify clear problems within the market by implementing consumer testing. This enabled us to create clear solutions such as our split the bill system, which allows tenants to pay as little as £2.90 per booking. With our split the bill system, we're able to directly and equally split the bill amongst tenants living within the property. This helps decrease tensions amongst tenants and helps decrease the risk of their deposits being taken.
It's estimated that 1.5 million students live within shared accommodation. This is a national figure, and therefore, as a starting point, we're looking to conquer 5% of those students living in London and surrounding area, which calculates to 18,500 students to service, providing us a great opportunity to grow.